Usapan na si Kiko Pangilinan ang hahalili bilang impeachment manager dahil hindi raw lawyer si Tito Sotto at again, the impeachment is a quasi-judicial at quasi-political na affair. Sui generis, kumbaga. Alas, with a slim majority ng Senado of 13 for Cayetano, 9 for Sotto, at 2 abstentions, nabuo na ang panibagong liderato sa Senado with Alan Peter Cayetano as Senate President. Nagulantang si Tito Sotto sa mga pangyayari dahil usually, alam dapat bago pa magsimula na magkaroon ng kudeta o rigodon sa leadership. Kumbaga, alam dapat ng aalis o papatalsiking Senate President na again, papatalsikin siya. Pero hindi. Kaya nga nagsorry pa si Cayetano kay Sotto kasi hindi niya ito nakausap.
We disagreed, but we found a way to disagree in private and then work together for the country. So I really admire your statement yesterday saying that you serve at the pleasure of the body. So may I manifest and that there are now at least 13 members of the Senate who wish to have a leadership change, and that Senator Bato de la Rosa is in the building and will be here in a minute. So may I kindly inform and apologize to the Senate President that for security reasons, I could not go up to you earlier to ask you and tell you this, but had to inform you this way. But I give you all my respect and ask for an orderly transition in accordance with our rule, Mr. President. Thank you.
So, nasorpresa si Sotto dahil apparently, Senator Bato de la Rosa, who has been absent for 5 to 6 months, is in the building para lang bumoto kay Alan Peter Cayetano. Now, malamang, may dalawang dahilan kung bakit ni-risk ni Bato ang kanyang kaligtasan amidst the rumors na mayroon siyang warrant as was speculated a few days ago. Kumbaga nagulat nga ako wow, may warrant na si Bato? Pero, dinanay naman agad ito ng ICC saying na no public arrest warrant was unsealed or issued. Una, pinapasok siya ni Cayetano para maging Senate President, assuring a safe haven, which was what had happened dahil pinoprotektahan ng liderato ng Senado si Bato. Although, parang trap din ito kasi, again, at least, alam na ng tao kung nasaan siya. Alam na ng otoridad na mga magsasampa ng warrant kung nasaan siya. E di hindi siya